How can I replace a stolen passport? If your U.S. passport has been stolen, act quickly to protect your identity and begin the replacement process. Immediately report the theft to the U.S. Department of State by calling 1-877-487-2778 TTY, 1-888-87-47793, or by completing Form DS-64 online or on paper. To replace your stolen passport, you must apply in person using Form DS-11. You cannot renew a stolen passport by mail. Along with the application, you must also submit Form DS-64 to officially report the loss. Prepare the necessary documents, including proof of U.S. citizenship, such as a birth certificate or naturalization certificate, a government-issued photo ID like a driver's license, a recent passport photo, and payment for the required fees. Visit a passport acceptance facility, such as a post office or courthouse, to submit your application. You can locate one using the online passport acceptance facility locator provided by the U.S. State Department. If you need the new passport urgently, you can request expedited service for an additional fee. For travel within 14 days, it's recommended to call and make an appointment at a regional passport agency. Once submitted, your new passport will be mailed to you. Processing times vary depending on whether you choose routine or expedited service. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in the next video.